Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. In today's video, I'm gonna review this case for your Pixel 5 from Poetic. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I have a case for your Pixel 5 from Poetic. I need to shout out Poetic for actually sending it to me for review. They went ahead and sent me out their Revolution case, if my camera will focus. Bam, for the Pixel 5 in black. Nice packaging from Poetic. We'll definitely get into this review in a minute. Like I normally do on all my case reviews, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Are the buttons easy to press or not? Can you get to a fingerprint scanner without any trouble? And we will check out how it fits on the phone itself. And can you wireless charge with the case on it? All right, so let's get into the review. Again, nice packaging from Poetic. Nice and simple. If you want to follow them on their social media websites, there they are. Let's see what you get in the box. So I like how they do their cases now because it comes with one installed screen protector on there. And then they give you the other one without it. So this one does not have the screen protector installed on it already, which is actually pretty good. So you get the option on which one you want to choose. So for this video, I'm gonna use the one with the screen protector on there. So that way we can just see how the touch sensitivity works. Now how you want to take it off, you just start from the corner and peel it off. It's not too hard, maybe not. Just don't want to break it. And then you can just peel this off. So here's the case itself. Yes, it has a kickstand on there too. We will see how that works out too, but I like the little grips on the side, and look at the protection you get with this case. And the screen protector. Yes, the screen protector is plastic. So how you want to install it, just make sure the volume rockers are on there. You always install the screen protector or the top part of the case first, and then you just put it back together. Usually I start at the bottom, but you can start at the top if you want, and you just work it around, and there you go. What y'all think? Man, look at, do you have to worry about lip action? You really don't, because you have a screen protector on there, but it does give you a lot. The camera hump in the back, that is definitely give you the camera protection. Nice leeway into the fingerprint scanner. This case here, you don't really have to worry about dropping your phone. It will protect your beautiful device. Let's check out and see everything lines up. Yes. It has that little flap for the charging port. At the top, it works out to the microphone. How's the power button? Nice and tactile. Look, I started the camera again. The fingerprint scanner works great. The volume rockers are easy to press too. And watch, the fingerprint scanner, I'm gonna show y'all that again. Easy. The question is, does it add bulk to your phone? Yes, this case will add some bulk to your phone, which in the Pixel 5 is not a bad thing, because this will protect your phone. Now, you may not use this case every day, but if you're going hiking or you work in construction, this is the case you may want to pick up. Look at the overall build quality of this case. Yes, you have some branding down there too. Check out the kickstand. Yes, you can watch your favorite YouTuber for tech reviews either way you want to. I don't think you will have a problem. Now, can you wireless charge? Let's find out. Yes, you can wireless charge with the case on there. You don't have to worry about taking it off. That's actually pretty cool too. So what y'all think about this Revolution case from Poetic? I like these cases, especially if I'm going for a walk in the woods and just, if I drop the phone, I don't have to worry about really breaking it, and this will protect it too. One last thing I want to check out, how is the sensitivity? It feels good. I mean, look, it acts really quick. Really no slowdowns or hiccups when using the screen protector that's already installed. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description so that way you can pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 5. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.